Hi, Amy. Go back to the last video, okay? Which is the most important one is the elementor. Now this, um, instead of us showing you how the tool work, I think it's best not to reinvent the wheel. I go to Google and I search WordPress Elementor tutorial. Here you will see a whole bunch of them. There's so many of them, okay? So here is where you learn how to use the Elementor. It's not that hard, but it does need to learn, and there's plenty of tool out there for you to use the Elementor. Best of all, is anytime you need help, you call us up, and we can show you how to use it. Thank you so much. You have a great day.